Ukrainian soldiers from the Special Unit of the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine, Group 13 Inches, destroyed an aerial target for the first time in the world using a Magura V5 strike naval drone. The target was a Russian Mi-8 helicopter, reports Defense Intelligence. The unique operation took place in the Black Sea near Cape Tarkhankut in temporarily occupied Crimea. It is noted that the Ukrainian Magura V5 naval drone is equipped with R-73 SeeDragon missiles, which were used to strike the Russian helicopter. Additionally, another enemy helicopter sustained significant damage but returned to its base airfield. Ukrainian naval drones have become one of the most discussed components of modern military technology. Ukraine is actively developing its own unmanned maritime systems, which have already proven effective in combating the enemy amid the full-scale war with Russia. The Magura V5 is the most well-known model of this type of UAV and the first in the world capable of destroying aerial targets. These drones are equipped with cameras for reconnaissance and targeting. Advanced GPS navigation systems and artificial intelligence enable their autonomous operation. Some models of naval drones can operate at distances exceeding 800 kilometers, allowing them to carry out missions deep in enemy territory.